Hi guys, welcome to day 8. Again, I've got one idea, a few variations, but basically just one simple one. This is, whoops, didn't mean to pick that one up from yesterday. This type of idea where we've just got the triangular. This way you flip the one going the opposite direction and one on the bottom. This one's stacking up and down. So I'm going to show you how I did it. But just so to get a better idea, let's just stick something in these pockets so you see how many different pockets you have. And of course all these pockets go straight down to the bottom. But this will give you an idea of the number of pockets that these little ones have. Okay, there you go. Give you an idea. I've got a shadow there, sorry, of the number of pockets they have. Basically, when you go to make these, you're going to have to cut strips of your book pages the same width. This one's 3 inches, this one's 2.5 inches, but that's what you do. And so here I've got 3 inch, this is 3 inch, a little bit longer. Let me show. That one's a little bit longer. I folded in half so that I can have, because I'm going to make my pockets. Now, if I was making this one, where I have different edges, this one and this top and bottom one are from the same piece. This one and this one are from the same piece. Because when you fold them, if I was going to cut this one, I would take it and I would cut it here at an angle. That would give me my longer and one of my shorter pieces. And that's how you get your different heights. So for this one, I had to have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of the same width, of 2.5. And I had to cut them, and each of those would give me 2. That one, there's only 2 pockets. So I had 3. And I didn't put the shorter one down here, but I could have if I wanted to from these cutoffs to make multi. On this one, same difference, but I turn them different ways. So I take this piece, because this one, I'm going to show you a different variation. Yes, you can put it on your cutter. I'm not. I'm just going for it. This one will go this way. This one will go this way. And the reason I cut it just in half is because I want them the same height. And that's what gave me that one. Of course, you have this wonderful little extra piece here if you want to, but not. But that's how you would do it, is take your strip, cut it in half at an angle. Let me get this all nice and glued down here so it doesn't fall off when I pick it up. There we go. There goes now. What if I'm using, this is book pages, but let's pull out some, I don't know. Those aren't the same width? Of course not. Things wouldn't be the same width that you want them when you're doing this. So I just had this bright idea. Okay, here we go. So these are the same width, but I want my pockets to be. So, get out my cutter. Sorry, guys. I hadn't planned on doing this, but I guess I'm going to. Probably can't see this end of it because I hadn't planned on it. Don't have the camera set up for this, but here we go. That'll work. Okay, so I've got 2 of them the same. If I move these, we can. Okay. These are the same width. I'm just going to take, I think, yeah, I want that one as my background. If you are using a cutter, this is how I do it. I base it here, right where that little rim is, and I lean that there to get my matching angles. And this is what I meant. If I put this one here, then I can take this one and put it down there. By the same piece, they're just opposite. Okay? Same difference. Let me take this one. I'm going to go down just a little bit so I can have different heights. But the reason I'm using it leaning against here, that gives me that same angle no matter what. And that was almost, but you see the little edging there. But the reason I did this is because I wanted this one to come in over here. And then I wanted that one on top of there. I think I'll prefer having this shorter. I don't know. Anyway, but that's how you can get those. Okay? Showing you how to cut it there. So you can come in, it can be scrapbooking paper, it can be book pages, it can be whatever you want. But this is what I use on my book pages and how I did it, just by cutting and strips. So that one idea, and you can go and get different variations by however how you turn it. There you go, quick, fast, a little off today. Like I told you, I was busy yesterday. Same thing going in today. But I promised you to get a video up a day, and here it is. Thank you.